What do you make of Andrew Jarecki not testifying? Part of the reason we are here, one of the big reasons we are here for this trial, is because of the jinx and what Robert Durst said on the jinx, and that recording on the hot mic. I killed them all, of course, was the quote. What do you make of Jarecki not taking the stand? We've been expecting to hear from him, and it's not going to happen.
Well, I think what's happening here is he's asserting the journalist privilege that when journalists are doing investigative reporting, they cannot be made to compel to testify about things that are told to them in confidence or privately. And of course, there is a great deal of conflict about that in terms of whether or not that privilege can be overcome. What's surprising here is that Durst claimed that Jarecki gave him a script to follow, a script which was contrary
Sure.
to the facts, and he was just following that. And therefore, I would have expected him to testify, at least in broad strokes, about, I never gave the guy a script. This is all what he had to say.
It's really interesting he's not going to testify, because you would think they would want to make that point, but maybe it's the jury can just draw that conclusion themselves. And you can't blame Andrew Jarecki for asserting any type of privilege as a journalist. Let's get back into court.